This compact EVISTR 128GB recorder offers huge storage and long battery life, making it ideal for marathon lectures and full days of meetings without worrying about space or power. Recording quality is impressively clear thanks to a sensitive microphone, multi-level gain control, and advanced noise reduction that keep voices intelligible even in less than perfect environments. The simple 2-button layout and straightforward menu make it easy to start, save, and playback recordings, while options like different file formats and variable speed playback add flexibility for serious note-takers. Its voice-activated mode intelligently pauses during silence and resumes when someone speaks, which saves time when reviewing and keeps files from being cluttered with dead air. Built from metal with a slim, pocket-friendly shape, the recorder feels sturdy and professional, yet light enough to carry everywhere for classes, interviews, or fieldwork. Automatic time-stamped file names and quick transfer over a Type-C cable make organizing, backing up, and finding specific recordings surprisingly painless.